Okay, let us look at this question. 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus of 2t plus 3 upon 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Now, in this question you will have to be very careful because there is a negative sign outside this term, and this is where the maximum error occurs, because this negative is not only for this 2t, it is also for this 3. So, you will have to be very careful in solving this because the signs will change when there is a negative sign outside. If it would have been a positive sign, then it would have been an easy question. You could have taken the LCM and solved it. Here, as I mentioned just now, the negative sign is very crucial for this sum. So, what has to be done now? The procedure is to take the LCM of the two denominator numbers. The first number here is 4, the second number here is 3. So, LCM of 4 and 3 becomes 12. You will have to see 4 goes how many times in 12? So, 4 goes 3 times. So, what we will do is multiply this entire numerator, that is 3t minus 2 with 3. So, this can be written as 3 multiplied by 3t minus 2. And now comes the important step, that is this negative. 3 goes 4 times in 12. So, this is going to be minus 4 multiplied by 2t plus 3. Again I am repeating this step. 3 goes 4 times. So, please do not change the sign. The sign will be written along with this number minus 4. So, what happens now? This can be solved. Meanwhile, on the right side we are having an expression 2 by 3 minus t. The denominator is not there, so we can write it as t upon 1. So, the LCM of 3 and 1 becomes 3, and here 3 goes 1 times. So, 1 into 2 is 2 minus 1 goes 3 times. So, this is 3t. Now, how do we solve this expression? We will have to open the brackets. When we open the brackets, we will have to multiply these two terms. So, 3 multiplied by 3t becomes 9t, 3 into minus 2 becomes minus 6 upon denominator is 12, minus 4 into 2t becomes minus 8t, minus 4 into plus 3 becomes minus 12, and on the right side we are having 2 minus 3t upon 3. Now, look at the like terms. Only like terms can be added or subtracted. So, the like terms here you will find one is 9t and the other is 8t. So, 9t and minus 8t will become positive t. Minus 6 and minus 12 when you add is going to become minus 18 upon the denominator is 12 is equal to 2 minus 3t upon 3. Now, we have taken the LCM. Now, look at the denominators. The denominator of the LHS is 12, the denominator of the RHS is 3. So, whenever we can cancel out or there are common factors, we should do that to simplify the question. So, 3 can be cut here, 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. So, now we are going to cross multiply this. So, 1 into t minus 18, you are going to get t minus 18 is equal to 4 multiplied by 2 minus 3t. So, therefore, now on the LHS you are getting t minus 18 and on the RHS it is 4 into 2 minus 3t. So, LHS we can't do anything, that will be as it is. So, t minus 18 remains as it is, but look at the RHS, that has to be solved further by opening the brackets. So, t minus 18 remains as it is, and on the right side we have 4 into 2 minus 3t. Open the brackets, which means we will have to multiply 4 and 2. So, 4 into 2 becomes 8, 4 multiplied by minus 3t, that is going to become minus 12t. Now, bring the like terms together. So, bringing the like terms together, this 12t is going to be transferred here. So, you are going to get t plus 12t. Why did it become plus 12t? Because this is negative, and when we change the side from RHS to LHS, or LHS to RHS, the symbol changes. So, since this was minus 12t, when I transferred on the left side, it has become positive 12t. On the right side, you are having the number 8, and this is a negative 18. The negative 18 will be transferred to the right side. So, the minus 18 will become positive 18. So, here we are going to get t plus 12t, and on the right side 8 plus 18. Now, how do we add t and 12t? There is no number written in front of t, which means that the number is actually 1. But it is not necessary to write 1t, and we usually do not write it. But for calculation purpose, we should know that a simple t means it is actually 1t. So, when we add 1t and 12t, we are going to get 13t on the left side, and the RHS we get 8 and 18, and 8 plus 18 is going to give us 26. Therefore, the final value of t will become 26 divided by 13. Whatever is the number along with t, that goes in the denominator. So, 26 upon 13, you cancel that, and we get the final value of t as 2. And this value is a constant. If you get any other value besides 2, then the question will be wrong. So, this is a unique solution linear equation, and to verify this value of t, you can put the value of t in the LHS and RHS, and once we put the LHS and RHS, if both sides are coming equal, then we can say the solution is correct. Therefore, the final answer t is 2 is a constant, and you have to get this answer correctly. And as I told you, the negative sign in this question is very important.